I have very high level of self-esteem.
Jasper, your blinker is on, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Just
Right lane if you're not passing someone. That's including you, Christoph. Under 13, or move out. Fucking way.
you said stop being in the right lane if you're overtaking.
Yes, exactly. Whenever I'm saying something that you guys are not supposed to hear, I speak Danish. Very smart.
I will do that with the Netherlands.
No, stop going. Oh man, stop driving. Guys, stop driving. Baby. Now focus on now GT2. Idiot. Adam. Don't hug. Ah!
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, just stop,
I give
Neil.
up.
Just stop.
I give up. Yeah, I give up.
Ooh, I got rear-ended.
Thank you. Same.
Damn. And again. Thank you, Suzuki.
Watch out. Yeah, thank
Sorry. I already drive to the left. Otherwise it was harder. Shit. There's still people coming.
Well, it's alright. It's 11 minutes since we started.
I'm gonna leave my transmission in manual.
What are you driving again?
Huh?
What are you driving?
C63.
Nice.
But with the realistic auto mod, it's not very nice.
Yeah. It doesn't work on all cars.
No. So then I will leave it in manual. Just a 4 car lengths of gap. Ew, my computer do not like all of these cars.
Hello guys,
Hello?
What's
I
up?
am joining the server.
Nice. Okay, so let's just park up here.
Okay.
So many cars. Okay, everybody rev their cars.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2
Take the right lane.
That's Romeo, that's reverse. If you.
Feel free to overtake.
Oh, well, we'll have a for Pista who's not driving. And the slow R7 who's not getting out of the way either. And the fucking GT2 doesn't go. Okay, hang on. This GT2 is getting fucking strangled now.
Come on, don't do.
Oh my god. Crash, crash.
I'm protesting this GT2. I don't give a fuck.
Road rage.
Why Suzuki?
Because he doesn't know how to fucking drive.
Oh shit.
Well, do you do that in real life?
I would.
I bet you would.
Yes.
Sure.
Don't ever doubt that. As long as it's not my own car, I will. Nee, but way hell was it, man?
That GT2 is overtaking at every single game. Like, bro,
Yeah.
you're not doing that
In
in
the middle of the road, not doing anything else.
What's the Pista doing?
I don't know. Trying to race me. Jesus, I'm losing my brain cells with this fucking idiot.
Yeah, GT2 RS is okay. Overtaking in the right lane. Nice.
Do I have permission to fucking eat him after fucking existence?
Nope.
I will do it.
I will fucking do it. I'm not even good with this. If he pisses me off one more time, it's done.
Suzuki,
Nope.
shall we get that GT2?
No,
Come
I will
on,
do that
guys.
myself. Don't make Gustav mad at you.
Shit.
I'm formed. Guys, stop being in the right lane if you're not passing someone. That's including you, Christoph. I'm near 13, but move out. Fucking way.
You said stop being in the right lane if you're overtaking.
No, I said stop being in the right lane if you're not overtaking. I hope.
Well, that's wrong.
If you shouldn't be in the right. Oh wait, no, my left lane. My bad. Okay, I've played way too much Forza, alright? Christoph, you fucking cock! Jesus. I will shut my mouth
Okay, break that, guys.
now.
Yeah.
They'll figure it out in the hallway eventually.
Did many people crash?
Yep. I mean, Christoph did. I mean, not Christoph. Mr. Thomas did, and I hit the ground as well. Guys, just pull over to the tank station.
I only
the
did
gas
a wall
station.
ride.
My dude.
Now I
There goes
crash.
Ferrari. Er jeg høj, Gunne?
Hvad?
Er jeg høj?
Nej.
Okay, er den tilbage?
Ja.
Nice, så beholder jeg den bare her på nu af. I need some gas.
Oh my god, this car is understeer like a fucking cow.
Yes, welcome to the AMG wall.
No way.
For
the
fuck's
fuck?
sake!
Well, actually, it's a 535D. Brake hard, guys.
Break on.
The GT2 RS. Nice.
Oh wait, fuck, which one here? Sorry guys. That M3 E46 has fucking broad headlights. Holy shit. That's worse than my headlights. That's good.
Cassie, where are you with the M8? Where are you with the M8?
Yes, but there's two gas stations. Which color is the gas station?
Is it called Shell?
What?
Is the gas station Shell?
The gas
Is it red?
Oh, it's yellowish. with,
You need to
neon
speak
green.
up because we can't hear you.
Yeah.
petrol station. Like,
Okay, well, guess I go back to pits and we'll make it there, because you were in the totally wrong way.
Yeah.
No speeding back to pits.
Seeing you to M3 and M4 GTS makes me want to drive the M4 CS.
Nope, not today. You're stuck in that old shitbox. Ooh, someone surprised you
Yeah.
haven't broken down yet, because you're in an E60.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Well, it might be old, but
It's not reliable either, so no, just stop assembling. We both know that.
but the car.
I wanted to drive a four-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, not rear-wheel drive.
I don't like it when my car suddenly does a grip, like randomly. It's not nice.
And then it crashed.
No, I didn't. I intentionally spun out to your own advantage, so you had this opportunity to
Jump,
get
you know?
Yes.
It's really
Whoa!
close.
That was Toby.
Oh, hi, Toby. Yeah, we're at the pit too. We're actually just back in the pit now. Gustav, what are you doing?
Sliding over the curb.
Yeah, we're back in the pit now, dude. If you wanna carry on the train, you know? Jesus Christ, this thing is no grip
Almost in the pit.
whatsoever.
There's a M4.
Gustav, did you go into the pits?
I didn't, but we're missing a lot
Someone
of people.
Someone just rammed me into a street that isn't the spits. Like, why? Everybody's going the wrong way.
We should just meet up pets, actually.
Yes, just back to pits.
Yeah, someone just
This is
pushed
why
me
I
into a street.
dislike ACP Foxborough. Because it is such a small car, man. Hi, Jasper.
Yeah, but I don't know what.
That was close.
pick.
What's up, Gassi? I'm
Hang
behind
on, I
you
need
with
to burn up the tires real quick. Jasper, check this out.